Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC. If you're tired of videos starting on their own and eating up your data or distracting you while scrolling, this simple setting will fix it in just a few clicks. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page, where you can control different parts of your account. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the section called Media. Click on it to open the media settings. Here's where the important option is. Look for Autoplay videos. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll get a few choices. To completely stop videos from playing automatically, select Off. That's it. From now on, videos won't start playing on their own while you scroll through Facebook on your PC. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you want a quieter browsing experience or if you're trying to save data. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more quick guides like this to make your apps work exactly the way you want.